Alright.
This bag looks really generic,
Sorry
really
not to put my ground
ordinary.
feet in the whole video.
Nothing special about this bag. But what is truly special is inside. This bag looks really normal.
I'm gonna go to the...
But what's inside is really, really abnormal. This is the king dish of Halifax.
Big, eh?
More than two.
More than two? It's like all the oil inside the donair. You can taste it like, and that sweet sauce breaks through it. It's like glorified junk food.
Wow, what a nice word to put it. I can't talk, it's a big bite.
Napkin.
Wow, it's a steak, it's a beef steak. You know what?
Beef steak.
Beef stick. Beef stick. I don't speak English.
Just gave a whole presentation in English.
It's like beef jerky. Why everything has to be sweet in Canada?